guys, today is the final part of my enemies crazy story part 3. This is probably the final part because I don't know, I'm bored, maybe even you are bored for real. And of course, this is a cringe series of my videos talking about enemies. So, yeah, let us end it over here in this video. And so, guys, yesterday I couldn't do the video because I went somewhere. I tried, but I really didn't do a video. So, today also I put the poll like first for vlog, for DM your ideas, or my enemy's crazy story part 3. So, even for vlog also many people voted, but I was like, you know what, let us end this series over here. So I got this, and many people even wanted again to see my enemy's crazy story part 3. So here I am with it. So as I said that, okay, I didn't say that. My enemy's initial this time, it is not S, it is not A, it is V. V वर्तमान आंखों का धोखा आंखों का धोखा हो गया है. Okay, so this is also one of the incident in 8th grade. You know what, most of my enemies incident happened in 8th grade only, I guess so, because in the last two videos of my enemy also I had mentioned 8th grade only. I don't know why, but yeah, many enemies were there. This is probably my hair clip. I don't know, I should, open my hairs or put clip. Today my hairs are not at all looking manageable. Like for real. For real. It's so rough. I don't know what to do with this rough hair because it makes me look like a ghost. And yeah, so this enemy is also a girl, and she is like one of the meanest enemy. Like we are not even friends. So as I said, those both enemies were my best friends, but here plot twist comes that this enemy is not my best friend. Okay, she is like, we weren't there in same class also. So okay, let us actually come to the point. I really don't want to waste time in introducing her. Just few facts and points I will tell about her. That she's a very booky person. She reads book. Her name starts with V. This is the biggest hint, okay? If her name starts with a V, and yeah, she has been in my class in second grade, in fifth grade, and then again in 8th grade. She wasn't in my class. She was in some other section. If I mention that section, it's very easy to guess who it is. Okay, wait. So guys, yesterday yesterday I didn't upload a video because I went somewhere. I really wanted to upload this yesterday, but I didn't. And have you noticed, I guess, that I'm not sitting near the window? Window is over there. And of course, this is my parents' room, not mine. They're at the hall sitting. As you can hear, some noises coming. But I am speaking, so mute हो रहा है. So बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight है window के पास. So I'm preferring to sit near this. I'll show you बाद में. So this incident happened in 8th grade. During the annual day time. So it is really not to speak about. ऐसे छोटी मोटी बातें तो होते रहती है. But I will still speak. I don't know why. Because I really don't have any work to do except speaking about enemy right now. And this is probably the last part. तो एक और enemy को बदनाम कर देते हैं. Let's spoil their name. But of course without mentioning them. With only their initial. Okay, so this girl, so हमारा ना एनुअल डे हुआ था 8th ग्रेड में. Everyone was friendly with me except this दिस गर्ल. सो व्हाट रियली हैपेंड इज कि 8th ग्रेड में हमारा एनुअल डे हुआ था. सो इट हैपेंड इन MLR कन्वेंशन हॉल. And yeah, and the problem is not so big that I had considered as her my enemy, but whoever betrays me is probably my enemy. It's like my rule and it's like my policy. I don't know what stupid policy I do with myself, but yeah, what it is what it is. I don't know, it is what it is. So her name starts with V, and she's sweet, but and she has a lot of interest in traveling and reading books, which I had observed, and we weren't friends. That's what I'm trying to mention, that we were never friends. And it's like this incident just happened during the annual day only, and after that I don't know, मेरे को कोई बेट्रे करता है, मेरे को कुछ बोल देता है ना, तो मैं तुरंत उसको अपना एनिमी मान देती हूँ. कोई छोटी मोटी चीज़ भी बोल दो ना, लड़ाई करके मैं मतलब रिश्ता ख़त्म कर देती हूँ. एंड इट्स प्रॉबली नॉट अ टॉक्सिक ट्रेट, क्योंकि when you cut off people who aren't interested in you, who aren't supporting you, who aren't good for your mental health, that is really not mean or selfish. क्योंकि आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए. जब आपके साथ कोई अच्छा बिहेव नहीं करता है, you have not given the permission to say anything at your face. कोई मुंह पे ऐसा कुछ भी मुझे बोल देता है ना, मुझे बहुत ख़राब लगता है. It's not a very sensitive trait of me, but I kinda don't like someone just मेरे से कोई ऐसे बात करे, क्योंकि मैंने किसी को इजाज़त नहीं है. सिर्फ मेरे पेरेंट्स को इजाज़त है मुझे डांटने की, सिर्फ मेरे टीचर्स को इजाज़त है. लेकिन अगर कोई और मुझे ऐसा बोलता है तो इट्स लाइक इट्स द गेम इज़ ओवर फॉर देम. मैं उन्हें या तो बदनाम कर देती हूँ, मैं गॉसिप नहीं करती. इट्स लाइक आई नेवर गॉसिप. मेरे दोस्त ही नहीं है तो मैं गॉसिप कहाँ से करूँगी. द थिंग इज़ आई डोंट गॉसिप, पर मेरे बारे में काफ़ी गॉसिप्स बनते हैं, ये मैं भी जानती हूँ, मेरे पीठ पीछे. एंड कुछ लोग तो ऐसे भी है कि इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने के लिए टेक्स्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद आपको टेक्स्ट ही नहीं करेंगे. तो उन सारे लोगों को भी मैं ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ फ्रॉम माई लाइफ. मतलब जो भी मेरे को बेट्रे करते हैं आज तक मेरी ज़िंदगी में, मेरे लाइफ में, whoever has betrayed me, I just cut off, and it's really very good for your mental health. I say कि अगर आपको कोई भी ट्रबल करता है, क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा ना बहुत है कि फ्रेंडशिप्स काफ़ी फेक हो गए. ट्रक की आवाज़ आ रही है, मैं मतलब क्या बताऊँ, वीडियो बनाने बैठती हूँ, ये ट्रक या फिर बाइक की आवाज़ आ जाती है. मतलब कहीं भी मुझे ना शांत माहौल मिलता ही नहीं है, शांत जगह मिलता ही नहीं है कि मैं अच्छे से वीडियो बना पाऊँ. तो थोड़ा सा माफ़ कर देना गाइस, मुझे क्षमा कर देना, क्षमा. एंड या तो ये जो लड़की है, हमें उस समय म्यूज़िक करना था. एक्चुअली हमारे कॉस्ट्यूम्स इतने अच्छे थे ना. आर कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑफ 8th ग्रेड एनुअल डे वॉज रियली वेरी वेरी गुड. इट्स लाइक आई हैव रियली केप्ट इट. वो आपने देखा होगा मेरा एक डांस वीडियो, फ्लावर जीसो चुंगी नाना लगा. I really don't know how to sing Korean, but I'm showing you the step because I'd done a flower dance video, Jisoo's. That is my 8th grade annual day costume, and it is still kept. थोड़ी सी उसकी कंडीशन थोड़ी सी फट गई है, but I will stitch it and again wear it in some other dance video if possible. So it's like one of the prettiest annual day outfit I have ever received from any school. So yeah, and the thing which is happening is I was selected for music. I really wanted to participate in music. So in 8th grade's annual day I participated in music because dance तो हर रोज़ हम हर समय करते हैं, और डांस में जगह भी नहीं था. एंड आई बिकम लेज़ी. मुझे आजकल डांस करने में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट हट जा रहा है. मेरे इंटरेस्ट कभी म्यूज़िक में जाते, मेरे इंटरेस्ट कभी कुछ में जाते, कभी कुछ. इट्स लाइक नॉट टिक नहीं रहा है एक जगह मेरा इंटरेस्ट. यू हैव डेवलपिंग न्यू इंटरेस्ट इन हॉबीज़. दैट्स व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग विथ मी. सो मेरे ऐसे ही हो रहा था 8th ग्रेड में. सो वी वर हैविंग मैनी ऑप्शंस एक्टिंग था, ड्रामा विच इज़ नोन एज ड्रामा था, म्यूज़िक था एंड डांस था, और भी थे ना शायद, नहीं, और सोलो डांस कुछ वगैरह वगैरह था. सो 8th grade annual day was the best. Everyone danced so well and we were the singers. Actually we were lip singing it क्योंकि एक बैंड ने गाना गाया था हमारे लिए. But at least we performed really well and our costumes were lit and we also slayed the annual day. That video is also officially posted in the school's group, not mentioning the school's group of course. Yeah. So actually in the venue of MLR convention hall, this we had to get ready actually. So we went to the venue, our school at 12:30. 5 hours. I don't know what nonsense we did. Okay, during the annual day, but it was really very good experience. It was probably the best annual day I've ever experienced in my life. So yeah, of course it's the 8th grade annual day and we were all sitting doing our makeup. Actually I didn't start my makeup. I had done a very basic makeup from home and I went like a little bit of makeup. I decided just 2 hours or 1 hour of my performance, music performance, I will do my makeup, and that's what was my best decision in my whole life. So because makeup stays when you do 4 hours or दैट्स अलग बात है कि आजकल वाटर प्रूफ मेकअप मिलता है, आजकल लॉन्ग स्टे मेकअप मिलता है, बट आई स्टिल रियली वांटेड टू do my makeup 1 hour before my performance and that's what I did. Everyone started applying eyeshadow, and they all are asking me, लोहिती aren't you applying any makeup on your face, it's परफॉर्मेंस का टाइम हो रहा है. तो लास्ट के जो मतलब 1 hour बचे थे, हाफ एन आवर में मैंने अपना मेकअप कंप्लीट किया. Already we wore our costumes and we went. We just had to do our makeup and the service was really very good actually. They had given us snacks also. And snacks में था I guess burger था, bun था, all the good stuff. And yeah, we slayed our annual day. Performance I guess ended in 8:30 night PM something like that. I was at music and we sang La Bamba song. Okay, that is, wait, मैं भूल गई कौन लोग, हाँ Spanish song. I forgot the song actually. I remember, it's not like I don't remember the song because we were just doing lip sync in that. और हमारा उतना रोल नहीं था, but we actually had to even learn the song. So of course we did something. Okay, so no one can actually say that in 8th grade we didn't participate in annual day. Actually the scenario was like this, something that in 8th grade I really didn't wanted to participate in annual day, but my mom was like, it will be fun, you shouldn't miss the chance. And yes, it was totally worth it. Thanks to my mom that she actually gave me idea to go on music, because in dance सब पागलों की तरह टैलेंट दिखाने जा रहे थे and I was like, I need to do something different. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं आपको यूनिक और डिफरेंट रहना चाहिए. अगर लोग ओके, दैट्स माई आइडिया, आई वोंट टेल दैट. वैसे भी मैं उतना ज्ञान देने वाली बाबा नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे, अपनी मर्ज़ी की ही चलाती हूँ बिल्कुल ही, ठीक है. और एक चीज़ है कि चलो अब लोग अभी टॉपिक पे आते हैं, टू माई एनिमी. ओके अजीब हूँ मैं, एक मिनट. सो वी वर वेयरिंग, मेरा जो कॉस्ट्यूम है, इफ़ यू आस्क एनीथिंग अबाउट माई 8th grade कॉस्ट्यूम, इट वॉज दैट जीसो फ्लावर डांस का मेरा वीडियो अगर आपने देखा होगा, आई हैव डन दिस स्टेप. If you have seen that video, I have worn that dress. That is my 8th grade costume. And the thing which happened is, MLR convention के starting में, when we all went, we got ready, we wore our costumes, we got ready, we wore our makeup. मैंने एकदम dark makeup लगाया था, which was like matte, full matte makeups. Not, मुझे लैक्मी के products बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. लैक्मी, मार्स makeup, it's like you slay the look in that. ओके, सो मैंने एक बार लास्ट में सेटिंग स्प्रे डाल दिया था सेट होने के लिए, मेकअप जा नहीं रहा था पता है, एक बात बताओ तो। एंड उसके बाद हम लोग चले गए हमारे क्लास टीचर के साथ टू परफॉर्म, एक्चुअली नॉट टू परफॉर्म, आवर परफॉर्मेंस वॉज अ लिटिल बिट लेट, एक्चुअली द लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस, बिकॉज मिडिल स्कूल कर रहे थे 6 to 8 एनुअल डे, सो ऐसा कुछ था। सो हम लोग जा रहे थे, एंड जब जा रहे थे ना तो इन MLR's स्टेयरकेस, फुल स्टेयरकेस होता है ना, वहाँ पे हमें पेरेंट्स को at 5 PM when your audience come, your parents come, you had to greet them. So we were looking very nice, so they had told us to greet them, good morning or whatever, not good morning, good evening, welcome, like that. So we were doing that, and probably I don't know, I was something randomly doing some dance, okay, I don't know, मैं कहीं पे भी पागलों की तरह नाचने लगती हूँ, दैट्स प्रॉबली। बट तुम्हें क्या है भाई, नाच रही हो तो तुम्हें क्या है, मैं अपने लिए नाच रही हूँ ना, तुम्हारे लिए दिखाने, किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं नाच रही। तो मैं मतलब आई वॉज रैंडमली डूइंग सम स्टेप्स इवन दो वी वरंट इन म्यूज़िक। सो व्हेन हम MLR कन्वेंशन के स्टेयरकेस पे थे, there weren't any parents coming at that time, and this lady, this enemy of mine was like, oh my god, can you stop doing that nonsense dance, I really can't see it. And after that हमें वो जो वर्क दिया गया था पेरेंट्स को ग्रीट करना एट द फंक्शन, we went in the line and this girl is coming behind me and she is probably always teasing me. So when we were going in the line, she is coming behind me, actually near my ears. She is coming near my ears and telling, Lohiti, I have seen your channel, it is like very bad. It is bad, then don't ever look at my channel. Guys, to all my haters, especially if you really don't like my channel, please pause the video and unsubscribe, I really don't mind, because I'm not here forcing anyone to look at my channel, because I don't know, that's not my job to force anyone to look at my channel. If you aren't having interest, please leave the video. I ain't forcing anyone. So this girl is like, she's मेरे कान के पास आके फूक रही है कि भाई तुम्हारे वीडियोस बहुत गंदे हैं, मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, इट्स शिट, योर चैनल इज शिट, तुम्हारा चैनल कभी नहीं पसंद आएगा किसी को, मतलब no one will ever like your videos, you will never become successful. Probably she's cursing me. The girl's name starts with V, एंड शी मतलब इतनी वो टॉक्सिक है कि मैं क्या बताऊँ। उसके चलते जो मेरा मेंटल स्टेट था ना एनुअल डे के दिन एकदम से ख़राब हो गया था। मतलब एट द डे ऑफ एनुअल डे आई वॉज रियली वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड, बट आफ्टर शी डीमोटिवेटेड मी, द ग्लो ऑन माई फेस अ लिटिल बिट जस्ट फ्लैश्ड अवे, फेडेड अवे। मतलब आपको कोई एनुअल डे के दिन someone betrays you, how the hell will you even feel? मतलब सीरियसली एनुअल डे के दिन भी तुमने मुझे नहीं छोड़ा, इतने मैंने कहा ना, मैं बैठती हूँ तो बाइक और कार और ट्रक की आवाज़ आती है, मतलब क्योंकि मेरा जो घर है ना एकदम से मेन रोड के सामने है। सो दिस वॉज द इंसिडेंट. This was really very small and it's not a thing to categorize them as my enemy, I know that, but I really did that because she was the reason my glow went that day. Of course my makeup didn't, but my mental health, I don't know, I felt bad probably, in short words. Like मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं. So she just told bad thing about my channel, your channel will never grow. Okay, I agree that it's not growing, but at least I'm trying. I never stopped for any reason. Yeah, that was my board exam time. I really couldn't concentrate much on my channel, so 9 months I just swapped myself, I deleted myself from YouTube, but after that at least I made a comeback, right? But you just can't predict that कि मेरा चैनल चलेगा नहीं. चैनल चलेगा नहीं, तुम नहीं चला रही हो मेरा चैनल. दिस इज़ माई चैनल and I am the professional owner of it. या आई एम फ्लेक्सिंग, क्योंकि मेरा चैनल की ओनर मैं हूँ. मेरे हिसाब से हर चीज़ चलेगी, मेरे हिसाब से वीडियो बनेगी, मेरे हिसाब से एडिटिंग होगी. तुम कोई नहीं हो डिसाइड करने के लिए. तुम खाली अपने ओपिनियंस बोल सकती हो, तुम रूल नहीं कर सकती. क्योंकि ये जो है ये मेरा है, ये दिस इज़ माइन, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ माइन. दैट्स द फीलिंग ऑफ मी. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे लोग होते हैं कि आपको हर चीज़ में टोकते हैं बीच में. और एक लड़की थी, सी, her name starts with C. When one girl was doing my makeup, her name was Disha. She was in 8th grade. So she was doing my makeup. मेरी जिगरी दोस्त थी, ठीक है. मेरा मेकअप कर रही थी. तो मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं, ये लड़की सी, हर नेम स्टार्ट्स विथ सी, वो बोल रही थी कि दिस इज़ नॉट द वे हाउ यू डू मेकअप. ओके, इफ दिस इज़ नॉट द वे हाउ यू डू मेकअप, यू ओनली डू इट फॉर मी, नो. वहाँ से कमेंट क्यों करना, वहाँ से अपने ओपिनियंस क्यों फेंकना है. तुम ही कर दो भाई, तुम ही कर दो. मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं इतनी पागल हो चुकी हूँ. हर चीज़ में लोगों को टोकना ही है. एंड मेरे को ऐसा बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि आई डोंट इंटरफियर इन देयर मैटर्स. दे रियली डोंट हैव द राइट्स टू डू दैट, टू इंटरफियर इन माई मैटर्स. तो ये जो वी है ना, मतलब क्या बताऊँ, इतना मेरा मन ख़राब हो गया था उस दिन. मैं मम्मी को आके बोली थी कि मम्मी, मुझे वी ने ऐसे ऐसे कहा है, मतलब मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. मम्मी ने कहा छोड़ो, वो कौन होती है, जस्ट डोंट माइंड इट. बिकॉज मेरा ऐसा हैबिट है कि स्मॉल थिंग्स रियली वेरी हर्ट मी रियली वेरी मच टू द डीप कोर. बट आजकल मैं कोई भी चीज़ अपने दिल पे नहीं लेती हूँ, और लेने की बात भी नहीं है. इट्स लाइक वो रो रही है, रोने दो. शी इज़ टेलिंग मी समथिंग, एक कान से सुनती हूँ, दूसरे कान से निकाल देती हूँ. मेरा आजकल यही पॉलिसी हो गया है. कोई मुझे बुरा बोलता है, कोई मेरे पीछे चुगली करता है, इट्स लाइक yes, they are behind my back always. So guys, now sunlight has gone, so I've come near the window. I was sitting down. So this was the matter actually. I don't really need to enclosure that she's my enemy, but yeah, I've cut her out of my life. And of course she was never my best friend, so there's really not a matter to worry about. That's not really a very serious matter. So this is okay, this is the end of the video. This was really very short video. I've cut down, but yeah, that is what the matter, it comes to the end. Okay, bye, goodbye guys. And many people even voted for vlog. Sorry not to be uploading, because how the hell will I upload? I'm not going anywhere. So when I will be going somewhere, I'll upload the vlog for sure. But I really wanted to upload a vlog, but I am not going anywhere. And who will see home vlogs? What will I do at my home? I know we can do drawing, painting, dancing, but it seems really very boring, and I'm not a very professional vlogger, so I really don't want to waste your time doing vlog. But there's vlog coming very soon, so don't worry guys. And yeah, goodbye, and keep subscribing and supporting to your girl Lohi. Goodbye guys, love you all.